Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a bank account to your Vinted account. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Vinted app, and here it usually opens up in the home menu, but we have to go into the profile menu in the bottom right corner. We tap on this. And here in the profile menu, we find the settings button. We have to scroll down to find it a little bit. After tapping on the settings, we go into payments. This is at the top of the list. And here we can tap on the add bank account button. And then just give the details of the bank account, and then it is done basically. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below.